How to download ice cream screen recorder. Now firstly, go to your browser and search ice cream screen recorder. I've already typed it in. Now I just have to enter. Now as soon as you are on Google, scroll down until you see a link that says download screen recorder ice cream apps. Click on this link, and once you're on this page, you don't have to click anywhere to download. It will automatically start the download. Okay, but if it doesn't, just click here. I will pause this video until the download is complete. Alright guys, as you can see, the download is complete. Now as you can see, I'm using this app to record, so I cannot install it again. However, just open the file over here and follow the instruction to install this app. I will leave the link in the description, and I want to thank you guys for watching up to this far. Thank you.